Hi, I'm Ken Spector with HappyCow. I'm here in Mumbai, India. It's really easy to find a vegetarian restaurant here in Mumbai, but much more challenging to find a vegan restaurant here in Mumbai. I'm going to count down HappyCow's top 5 vegan restaurants here in Mumbai, India.
Number 5, PRISiM at the PRISiM Healing Institute. PRISiM is a semi-enclosed vegan cafe, which is part of the PRISiM Healing Institute, offering alternative and holistic health services, and is a health spa and yoga studio. You can choose from a variety of treatments here, including Ayurvedic massage, acupressure, acupuncture, hydrocolonic, and other therapies. They're open for breakfast and lunch and close just before dinner. You can opt for a massage right before you indulge in their exceptional vegan raw and cooked food menu. It was recommended that I order a day in advance so that they could prepare everything. Gourmet raw food preparation can take some time to create the various textures and flavors. To drink, I ordered a green goddess smoothie made of spirulina, moringa, almond milk, banana, and dates. The drink was cool and mildly sweet, invigorating on a hot and humid day in India. For an appetizer, I started with the rich and creamy mac and cheese, which is nut-free, organic whole wheat macaroni smothered in a sauce of potato, carrots, onion, and nutritional yeast. For my main, I ordered the raw lasagna, zucchini strip noodles filled with a thick tomato sauce made with sun-dried tomato, basil, and a walnut pesto. The bechamel sauce is made with pureed cashews, and the meat is cleverly made with carrots, hearty and scrumptious. For dessert, I indulged in the apple crumble, made with almonds, oats, the crumble you see on top, and cold-pressed coconut oil. The apples are stewed in cinnamon and coconut sugar. The contrast between the flaky crust, the oat topping, and the moist spiced apples was perfection. And this fresh and tangy dessert was a superb ending to a fabulous healthy meal. Number 4, Aharveda Restaurant. Aharveda Restaurant is a casual dining vegan restaurant at the Hotel Golden Chariot, open for lunch and dinner. The restaurant's name is derived from Ahar, which means food in Sanskrit, and Veda, which is defined as scripture-containing philosophies. This restaurant has a modern, stylish decor, and they serve Indian vegan fusion food, which is gluten-free, oil-free, and sugar-free. They have purely vegan Indian thali here, which is not easy to find anywhere in India. To drink, I ordered the mint cooler, mildly sweet, crisp, and minty. For my main, I ordered the mushroom stroganoff, served on a bed of quinoa with green, yellow, and red peppers and carrots. On the side are mashed potatoes with a smooth seasoned vegetable sauce, and topping the mashed potatoes are hashed brown potatoes with a variety of spices. There's also a side mushroom soup and a side vegetable salad consisting of green peppers, broccoli, zucchini, onions, and other spices, topped in a mild coconut cream sauce. I ended my meal with the Purni dessert, a traditional Indian dessert made vegan, a velvety sweet mixture of coconut milk, rice, cardamom, and topped with cashews, pistachios, almonds, and saffron. My meal was tasty, the service attentive, and the atmosphere was classy and laid back. Number 3, Rare Earth, the Vegan Cafe. Rare Earth is a vegan cafe which sits in the back of Mumbai's first vegan grocery store with the same name. The Rare Earth store is densely packed with a variety of products that are not easily found in India. The restaurant portion is outdoors, and fans are used to keep the place from getting too hot. I came to this restaurant with my friend Carly. She ordered the Tessarossa pizza, made in-house. Her pizza was made with wheat flour, but they also have gluten-free pizza available. The homemade tomato sauce is topped with a freshly made cashew cheese. The pizza toppings include red peppers, tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, onions, and garlic. I had a bite and it was mouth-watering. Based on a recommendation, I ordered a unique-looking vegan burger. Matcha tea is blended with the bun dough, which gives it a vibrant green color and makes the bun more nutritious. The burger patty is made in-house, made with a soy and wheat protein base and a blend of spices. The sriracha mayonnaise is also soy-based. The tomatoes and lettuce are both organic, and I was assured that they are triple cleaned. On the side is a small salad consisting of lightly dressed carrots and cabbage, and masala spice coated the French fries. This mammoth burger was flavorful and satisfying, and a great choice. This place is wonderful for a quick and casual lunch or dinner. Their lovely back garden area is now open for additional seating and for special events. Number 2, Earthlings Cafe. Earthlings Cafe is a cozy, relaxed vegan cafe with a small indoor eating area and a larger semi-enclosed eating area. The decor is modern and simple, with clean white tiled walls adorned with small portraits of famous vegans with vegan messages. They're open for lunch and dinner. To drink, I ordered the Mary Berry, apples mixed with berries and in-house plant-based milk, almonds, and dates. Silky and sweet with the right amount of tartness. As an appetizer, I ordered the cheese chili toast, wheat flour crust covered in a house cashew cheese, topped with green and yellow peppers, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. The red sauce in the center is ketchup. You dip the bread in the ketchup for added flavor. For my main, I ordered the spaghetti with mock meatballs. Spaghetti tossed in a rich tomato basil sauce with delicious vegan meatballs, covered with a zesty tomato basil sauce. The spaghetti came with a couple of pieces of crispy garlic toast on the side. For dessert, I ordered the gluten-free black bean brownie made with blended black beans, topped with walnuts, chocolate chips, and blanketed with chocolate syrup. Combined with almond milk vanilla ice cream, this was a sweet, chocolatey, decadent end note to a fine meal. Number 1, Earth Cafe. Earth Cafe is on the second floor of a 2-story building in the trendy Bandra West area of Mumbai and is open for lunch or dinner. The cafe is modern and stylish, with pink walls and wooden tables, a sprinkling of plants, and large windows to view the lively neighborhood below. Carly joined me again at this restaurant, and we sat on a long sofa in front of an oversized Earth Cafe clock. Near the entrance, they sell a variety of upscale natural vegan products. They feature some tempting vegan desserts in a glass display. To drink, I couldn't resist, so I ordered two. The Wake Up, made with ginger, celery, carrot, and orange juice, and Ruby's Red, made with pomegranate, strawberry, watermelon, beet, and carrot juice. Both were cool and refreshing. Carly ordered the Sweet Chlorophyll, spinach, pineapple, apple, mint, and celery juice. Their straws are made of paper. Plastic straws are fortunately banned in India, as are plastic bags and cups. Carly ordered the spaghetti with vegan meatballs, and I heard the pizza here was Mumbai's finest, so I ordered that. I tasted her dish and loved it, and she really enjoyed it too. The pizza crust is gluten-free, made of rice and sorghum flour, smothered with a rich tomato sauce, black olives, broccoli, green peppers, yellow peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, and topped with a creamy cashew nut cheese. For dessert, I had a piece of vegan chocolate cake with drizzled chocolate syrup. My food server wasn't sure what the ingredients were other than the wheat flour, but this cake was lavish, moist, and devilishly great. I tasted the vegan strawberry cheesecake that Carly ordered, made from tofu and topped with a strawberry glaze, creamy and delightfully sweet. The perfect ending to an outstanding meal.
I finally made it to HappyCow's highest rated vegan restaurant here in Mumbai, India. It's Earth Cafe at Bandra West at Waterfield Road. I'm with Carly, vegan traveler, and this place was amazing and definitely deserves to be the highest rated vegan restaurant here in Mumbai, India. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our HappyCow channel and click the bell for notifications. Take care. Bye-bye.